Have you ever tried installing 3D wall panels on a wall that's rough, dusty, and uneven, and it just wouldn't stay neat? Well, in this video, I will show you step by step how I prepare and transform a wall like this using Tyrod before installing panel. And trust me, the process is the secret to getting that perfect professional finish that lasts for years. Stay tuned till the end because I will also share the advantages and disadvantages of thyroid and quick tips and mistakes to avoid if you are trying this yourself. So remember your space, my canvas. Hi, I am Temmy Profinish and welcome back to the channel where we talk about painting, wall finishing, electrical setups and everything that makes your home stand out beautifully. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of my painting and DIY tips. Now, let's get straight into it. Preparing a rough wall for 3D panel installation using Tyrod. Number one is accessing the wall. The wall was not just rough, it's uneven and dusty, which means even if I try to install 3D wall panels directly, they won't even stick properly and will eventually peel off. So that's why thyroid is important too, and it acts as a leveling layer, creating a smooth and strong surface for the panel for you. So the next thing is cleaning and dust removal. This wall was extremely rough, dusty, and uneven. If I had tried to install 3D panels directly, they wouldn't stick properly and would eventually peel off. That's why thyroid is very important. It acts as a leveling layer, creating a smooth and strong surface for the panel. 2. Cleaning and dust removal. Before applying thyroid, I had to clean off the dust, loose particles, and flakes. If you skip this step, thyroid won't bond well to the wall and your panel may fall off over time. So always clean thoroughly before starting. So after that, the next step is cutting and preparing the thyroid. I cut the thyroid into sections. For the project, I had to use a saw to cut the thyroid into 20 inches pieces. After cutting, I started arranging them vertically and horizontally to create a smooth and uneven grid. This step is very important because it gives structure to the wall and ensure the 3D panel sits neatly without gaps or misalignments. And if you have been following me for a while now, you will know that music and dancing are huge inspiration for my work. While I was installing those 3D panels, I had my music on and I couldn't help but get into the groove. It's all about bringing that positive energy into the project. Now let's get back to what we're doing. Now step 4, installing the 3D panel. Once the tile surface was ready, I apply adhesive for this job. I use Visa 6000 since heavy duty adhesive wasn't available. Now Visa 6000 works but it may lose grip over time. That's why I reinforce the installation using a stapler to clip the panels firmly to the tie rod after applying gum. In some cases, you may also need a silicone gun to add extra bonding, especially at the edge. This gives the panel more durability and prevents peeling. Let me quickly talk about the advantages of tie rod. It creates a smooth surface for perfect 3D installation, increases durability, panels stick longer and don't peel off easily. And 3, it hides wall cracks, roughness and imperfection. Number 4, professional finish that adds real value to your decor. Let me talk about 3 disadvantage of thyroid. Number 1, it add extra cost to your project. While number 2, it take more time and skills compared to installing directly. Number 3, it require additional materials like adhesive, stapler, nail, and of course thyroid. But here are some quick tips if you are trying this yourself. Always measure twice before cutting. Use a leveling for alignment. Crop panel can spoil the whole design. Don't rush. Neat lens takes patience. Reinforce your adhesive with stapler. As for mistakes, at first some panels were misaligned and I had to adjust the grid and reapply. So don't be afraid to correct errors. It's better than leaving it messy. For real. So after that, painting aspect. Yeah, painting the panel. After fixing all the panel, I painted them with a satin white finish. I gave it 2 coats to achieve a bright, smooth, and professional look. The satin white not only made for design pop, but also added a clean, modern feel for a space. And that's how I transform this rough wall using Tyrod and installing 3D wall panels for a flawless finish. I hope this inspire you to try something bold in your own space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe to Temmy Profinish for more creative transformation. See you in the next video. Thank you and God bless you.